Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to calculate average in Excel without using average function. So let's start. So you can see I have data, student name and marks list. So here I'm going to use the first formula. Select the cell is equal to sum in bracket. Select the range of marks. So I select the range of marks, then bracket close and divide it by count function. So select here count function, then select the again the range of marks, bracket closed and enter. You can see your average marks here calculated. So let's see second formula. First, you just count your marks. So total student is 5, same as marks also 5. Okay, after that, here I select the cell, use the is equal to, and type here some function and select the range of data and bracket close and divide it by as a count of marks 5. So enter here 5 and press the enter and that's it. So you can see the average calculated of your marks. Okay, and you can check the average, this the actual average formula I show you here. Use is equal to average. I select here the average. I select the range of marks, bracket closed and enter same average amount here showing. You can see it's matched. Okay. So here I add some notes. You can see suppose you are calculating the average monthly sales of 5 branches. Instead of using average function, you can use the second formula. So just enter divided by 5 as 5 branches. Okay. And you can calculate your average amount. So that's it. This is the way you can calculate the average in Excel without using average function. Hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.